Good morning, plumbers. Good morning, YouTube. If this is your first time stopping in, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the plumbing trade. As you see, they're not here. CB2 is in Cancun, and AB is in school, of course. Spring break, CB2, spring break. Today's plumbing adventure, we have a concessionary that was relocated. And now we're going to be putting in carpets for a playroom and for a walkway area. So what we got to do is we're going to jack up the floor, cut the pipe below grade, and cap it off so they can patch the floor. And then the carpets can go in. So we will see you inside. Okay, here is one of the 4 holes we got to jack up, cut on the inside, plug up, and they're going to cement over it. We're getting carpet in here.
I got you 6-foot ladder or you 8-foot ladder.
You got 2, no problem. You got 2 of these too,
No,
by
no.
chance?
No.
Hey! I miss you. What's up?
I got you ladder, so I bring it back.
I don't need them. I don't need them. Go ahead, man. little cement, and boom, done. 4 more of these to do. And CB2, who should be doing this, is in Cancun. So now they can cement it up, patch it, put the carpet over it. Have a nice day. There you have it. I got the floor drain capped. They can go ahead and patch the floor. Got all 3 done. I could only film 1, but you see it's nothing but grunt work. And to be honest with you, this was CB2's job, and he got off the hook. We kept putting it off and putting it off, and look, it got done the week he was away. CB2, I owe you one. Anyway, we appreciate you tuning in, and we'll see you at the next one.